types of bread. Part 2. The first one on our list for the day is bao. Bao. And then we have breadsticks, which are also called grissini. Breadsticks, grissini. Then we have brioche. Brioche. The next type of bread is spelled out as C-H-A-L-L-A-H. However, it is commonly pronounced as challah. Challah. Then we have dinner roll. Dinner roll. The next one is pretzel. Pretzel. The next one on our list is pineapple bun. Pineapple bun. Then we have cinnamon bun. Cinnamon bun. The next one is focaccia. Focaccia. Then we have crumpet. Crumpet. The next type of bread is called lavash or lavash. Lavash or lavash. Then we have rolls. Rolls. The next one on our list is veggie burger bun. Veggie burger bun. Then we have donut. Donut. The next one is English muffin. English muffin. Moving on, we have Swiss roll, which are also called jelly roll. Swiss roll or jelly roll. The next one is tortilla. Tortilla. Moving on, we have naan. Naan. And the last one on our list for the day is pumpernickel. Pumpernickel. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of bread. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.